There are plenty of cryptocurrencies believed to have the potential to become big, and the Stellar Lumen is definitely up there among them. However, before we delve deeper, let's start from the beginning and first talk about what Stellar really is. Used by the Stellar network, the Stellar Lumen is an altcoin that trades under the symbol XLM. It became very popular a few years back. In 2017, during the ICO craze that attracted major interest in cryptocurrencies, sent the prices up, and eventually resulted in the crypto winter that lasted for more than a year. Since its creation, the Lumen's purpose was to be the fastest project out there and to become a go-to coin for making international transactions, with the banks being too slow for this day and age, often taking entire days to send a payment from one part of the world to another. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, which can do it in 10 minutes, became a preferred option. Now, Stellar wants to be to Bitcoin what Bitcoin is to traditional banks. To achieve that, it has developed a system that allows it to process payments almost instantly. As such, it has a similar purpose to Ripple's XRP. Indeed, the two have been competitors for years. But, where Ripple decided to offer its services to the banking sector, Stellar opted to target the people themselves, with no intermediaries. XLM used to be one of the top-ranking cryptocurrencies, often sitting at the 7th or 8th spot on the list of largest coins by market cap. However, by the time of writing, March 24, 2021, Stellar Lumen has dropped out from the top 10 list, occupying the 14th place. This is not due to the fact that people are losing interest in it. It simply comes as a result of greater interest in some other projects which have attracted a lot of attention recently, like Uniswap, Polkadot, and Cardano. That said, it is also worth noting that Lumen did not exactly perform that admirably over the past few years, either. However, this started to change this year as the coin's performance did not only start to improve, but it also came a decent way up to its old all-time high of 94 cents. Thus giving investors hope that XLM could once again be one of the more competitive digital currencies. Latest XLM news. What has been driving the price so far in 2021? Earlier this year, on January 29th, the Stellar Development Foundation published its 2021 roadmap, with 3 strategic pillars holding the project to pretty much the same course. These are supporting the robustness and usability of the project, helping it to be a trustworthy blockchain, and fostering and developing sustainable use cases. However, each of the 3 pillars consists of specific and unique aims that all work together towards the same end result, allowing Stellar to grow significantly in 2021. The project is particularly focusing on transparency, with the publishing of the roadmap further confirming that. Furthermore, it will give the project's community some hints regarding what the project is aiming for, and allow people to confirm that it has truly made progress. The price of the project's native coin started to increase immediately after this announcement, sending XLM to a 3-year high in only 2 weeks. Other than that, Stellar also recently announced that its anticipated integration with USD Coin was live, and that its blockchain now allows users to send USDC tokens. Lastly, on March 2nd, the project finally released Horizon 2.0. XLM price analysis, slow but steady on its way to the top. As mentioned, the XLM price surged in the response to the project's latest roadmap, as well as the announcement of the USDC launch on its network. However, the coin began its slow yet steady hike even before that, right at the start of the year. On January 3rd, XLM started seeing a significant price movement, going from 1 cent to 35 cents in only 4 days. The coin corrected slightly to an average price of 30 cents. After that, it traded sideways with small fluctuations until late January, when it entered another uptrend. The steady growth turned into a sharp surge around February 10th, likely caused by Bitcoin and Ethereum's major price increase. Fortunately, XLM was able to join the rally by skyrocketing to 57 cents by February 13th. After the hype passed, the price dropped down to a support level at 50 cents, which was then followed by another drop to an average price of 40 cents around February 22nd. Since then, the coin has been mostly stable, occasionally going slightly up and then correcting back to 40 cents. Stellar Lumen's price prediction: should you buy, sell, or hodl? According to CoinSwitch, there has been a lot of positive sentiment regarding the efficiency of Stellar's blockchain payment network, arriving from XRP after Ripple was sued by the SEC for selling an unregistered security. This may also be one of the main reasons why the coin's price surged in early 2021. As for the future, CoinSwitch believes that Stellar can go further up in 2021, eventually reaching 77 cents this year. More importantly, its long-term XLM price prediction says that the coin could hit $5 by 2025. While this might seem very optimistic, if Stellar is the one to skyrocket next, this should be perfectly within the range of possibility. Next, there is a Stellar Lumens forecast by Wallet Investor, which has a somewhat less bullish forecast than CoinSwitch, but still positive. In its 2021 prognosis, the online forecasting service estimates the XLM price to average 57 cents at the end of the year. As for the long-term Stellar Lumens price prediction, Wallet Investor sees XLM trading at an average of 76 cents in December 2022, 93 cents in December 2023, and $1.13 in December 2024. In 5 years, by March 2026, the coin is expected to reach $1.32. While this may not seem an extreme growth over such a long period of time, it would still be welcomed with open arms if the coin ends up crossing the $1 mark. The last XLM forecast comes from Digital Coin Price, whose prediction looks similar to that of Wallet Investor, which claims that Stellar will go beyond $1. According to the outlook, XLM will reach 72 cents in 2022, 86 cents in 2023, 99 cents in 2024, and $1.24 in 2025. The coin is expected to trade at $1.80 in 2028. Is Stellar a good investment? Stellar has a good use case and it has proven to be competent in performing it, not to mention that it keeps working on its development and features, all of which makes it a good investment. As for its price, the forecasts do not seem to expect it to be particularly profitable, unless you can wait for years to earn some more serious money. Will 940 go up? While there are no certainties, the forecasts do appear to expect the XLM price to increase. However, the coin is predicted to grow in value slower than some of its peers. Can Stellar Lumens reach $1, $10, $100? Stellar can easily reach $1 maybe this year, maybe next, or maybe in several years. As for $10, it would take a long time, but it is still possible. Lastly, for $100, it would take a very, very long time, or some massive new breakthrough in Stellar development for this to happen, as this mark seems quite far from where XLM is right now. However, if it were to reach mass adoption, then such a valuation may still be in the game. Trade Stellar Lumens today with Capital.com. Are you ready to take a position on the price of this popular cryptocurrency? Today, XLM is one of multiple cryptocurrencies available for trading on Capital.com through contracts for difference. With CFDs, you can speculate on the XLM price without buying the coin itself. If you expect the price to rise, you can take a long position. If you think it will move lower, you can go short and still make a profit on the trade if the price falls. Long-term XLM price prediction. Long-term XLM price prediction is a lot more bullish. As mentioned, by 2025, we should see another major market cycle turn bullish. Therefore, the market could see 10-20 gains beyond 2025, meaning a Stellar XLM price target of $15 minus $25.